Hey everybody, here's a quick video to show you how to read your tape measure. Now it's really pretty simple to do. Everybody knows that the bigger numbers are inch numbers, and every 12 inches we come to a foot that's marked with a 1F or a 2F, however many feet you make it to. But what really is difficult is what happens between the inches, and that's what we're going to go talk about today. To do this, I'm going to expand the inch that we have on our tape measure. We're going to say this is inch 5 and this is inch 6, just like we have here. The first thing that you'll notice is there are a bunch of different sized lines that are right down here in the middle. We're going to start with the biggest line, which is right in the middle, which is our 1/2 of an inch line. Here it is here, and on your tape measure, you can see it right there. It's the tallest line right in the middle. Next, we have our 1/4 inch lines. This is 1/4 of an inch here. This line here would actually be 2/4. This is 3/4. And the next 1/4 inch will get us to 6 inches. It's important to note that the 1/4 inch lines are a little bit smaller than the middle 1/2 inch line. Then you'll notice some lines that are slightly shorter than our 1/4 inch lines, like this one right here. These are our 1/8 inch lines. And the last 1/8 inch will get us to 6 inches. And finally, we have our smallest lines, and those are our 1/16 of an inch lines. And the final 1/16 of an inch will get us to 6 inches. And now it's that simple to read your tape measure. When you have a little line, it's a 1/16 of an inch. When it's a little bit bigger, that's our 1/8 of an inch line. And you have our 1/4 inch line, and then you have your 1/2 inch line. That's what goes on the tape measure. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.